Hi everyone, it's Miss Tiffany from the Butler Area Public Library, and I am here with a Beanstack tutorial for you on how to use Beanstack on Apple devices. This includes iPads and iPhones. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the App Store and locate the Beanstack Tracker app and fully download it onto your device. You can see it here on this screen. It is in the bottom row. It is the second application shown. It's like a light blue color. So then you tap that to open it up and a welcome screen appears that's going to walk us through the registration process. It's going to ask if our library already uses Beanstack, and the answer is yep. So you hit that blue button and it's going to instruct you to enter the name Butler Area Public Library in order to locate our library's Beanstack page. So you can see we are the first one listed there. We're just going to go ahead and select that, and it will take you to our landing page. Now, if you already have a username set up, you can go ahead and log in at this point, but if not, this is where you would set up your account from scratch. So we're going to opt to do that by touching the very bottom line of text where we can sign up. Here in the Create an Account screen, it's going to ask us to select a username and password, which is how you will log in to your account. Once you have entered that, it's going to ask for some personal information, your first and last name. The next screen is additional contact information, which is optional. You can opt to put in an email and a phone number, or you can just hit continue. And that's it. We have signed up for Beanstack. Now it's going to ask us if we want to register for a challenge by creating a reader account. And doing that, we just hit that green button. Then we go in and add our age because Beanstack assigns us challenges that we are eligible for based on age. We have the option to upload a picture, or we can simply hit continue and move on to school information. For adults, this will be not applicable, which is an option in the menu. We hit continue, and that's it. We are ready to register for the Adult Summer Challenge. We simply hit the register button. And we are now registered. So at this point, we can add another reader to our account. To do that, we simply touch that green button. It will ask us for the personal information of the additional reader we are adding. Again, we have the option of putting in a picture. For adults, school would be not applicable. And then we have the option to register for the challenge. If you have children that you are registering, you do the same process. You go back to add an additional reader, entering their first and last name, and their age. Now for the children's challenges, there are ages where 2 challenges will overlap. And when you add a reader in one of the age groups that overlaps 2 challenges, it will give you the option to select which challenge they are going to participate in the Discover tab of the application. We can continue adding additional readers until we have a reader profile for all family or household members. If your child's school is not listed in the drop-down menu, there is an option for Other. So now we have finished adding readers to this profile. We have the option as to whether we want to enable push notifications. And then it's going to take you into the home screen of the primary reader on the account. That's the first person that originally registered the account. You can always tell which reader profile you are in by looking at the gray circle in the top right corner. If we wanted to change readers, we would simply tap that circle and a list would be brought up where we can select any reader profile we want. We just tap the button next to that reader's profile and it will take us in to their challenge and logging their activities. Remember, for one of our children that we registered, they were in one of those overlapping age groups. So you can see here that both challenges are presented as an option. It's up to the parent or guardian to decide with the child which option is better for them. And once you register for your choice, you cannot change it. So we're going to go ahead and make a selection here, and it is going to prompt us. Again, we have the choice between the two, and we are going to register for our selection now. You can see that that unlocked the Adventure Away badge for that reader in their profile. If we take a look in the app, we can log the activities. We can take a look at the book logging badges. We can take a look at the rewards and any tickets that we have earned to be entered into the prize drawings. By touching the top of the screen, those same items are available to you through a pop-up menu. Once we have completed the logging in that profile, we simply hit that back arrow button on the top left-hand side to go into the main part of the profile. We find that gray circle in the top right corner and we select whatever reader we want to go to next. So this has been a brief overview on how to register and navigate Beanstack for the Butler Area Public Library using the mobile app for Apple devices. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at the Butler Library at 724-287-1715, or you can email me at tharkleroad@bcfls.org. Thank you.